The sample your supplier sends you is often perfect. What you really have to worry about is what happens once the machine in your hand and you are printing yourself. So before you place the order, do few things. Ask whether the result depended on turning the file, changing the design, change the fabric. Can you still produce it yourself? Ask for a video of the printing in process, one where you can see the machine's actual speed, not just the number they quote you. Have them print a known area and then check the machine's software for how much ink it actually used. That's the most honest way to work out your real ink cost per meter, and the fastest way to test any low running cost claim. Have it print on your own bulk fabric, ideally 2 different lots, and see whether the color is something you can accept. Test the wash fastness and rub fastness on the sample yourself. Confirm the sample was printed on the exact model you are buying, not a hair spec machine for the sample and a lower one for you. A good sample tells you the machine can do it. A stable bulk run tells you it will do it every single day. The one you want to buy is the second one. One last thing before you go. If you have bought a textile printer before, what's the one thing you wish you had checked before you signed? Drop it in the comments. It might save someone else an expensive lesson.